Hey guys, this is Dr. Chris and back my video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a gun using a pen. This is not like a normal gun, it's just which you cannot use, you cannot shoot anything. In this gun you actually can shoot a bullet. Okay, I'll just show you what's the bullet also. And the materials you need is a pen. I just use a red color pen and two rubber bands. You just need only these two items. Okay, and make sure your pen can be opened from both the sides. Okay, from the bottom and the top. First unscrew the top, keep it aside, then unscrew the bottom, then keep it aside, then take out the refill. And guys, if you want me to make any videos, please put a comment, so I'll just look into it and I'll try my best to make that video. And then once you got it like this, take the two rubber bands, and first take one rubber band, put it inside the pen's lid like this as shown. It should be like this. Then this part is a bit hard, you might need someone's help, but I'll just try to do it by myself. Then keep it like this. Okay, keep it like this, and take the second rubber band and try to put it over on it. Okay, and to make it more tighter you have to put it again. This part is a bit hard. Oh my god. Okay, we got it. Okay, now loosen up this rubber band, and there we have it. Wait, yep, done. Now we have the gun. This is actually a weapon. That's it. Simple as this. Okay, it's damn strong. And the bullet is your rifle. It's damn funny, right? But I know. Just insert your refill tube inside the pen and keep it back like this. Hold it, like load it like this, and fire. It goes and come. I'll just give you a demonstration. Just hold it like this. Okay, you insert your refill again inside, keep it like this, make sure you hold this part together, pull it back, and then you can pull it more, but make sure you don't come excess like this, so the bullet will the refill will knock your hands like this. It will go and knock your hand, your finger. So make sure it's over here inside. And if you need this to be tight, just you can use another rubber band. Not sure it works with all the pen, but make sure you can remove both the sides, top and bottom. Then you have to pull it and then release it. Simple as that. Wow, I just hit it. That's it. And that's it guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.